Hello and welcome to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart kitchen gadgets in 2024. The must-have devices that are transforming kitchens everywhere. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking experience, streamline meal prep, or add some futuristic flair to your kitchen, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with our latest reviews. And remember, you can find links to all these amazing products down in the description box. Let's get started. Say goodbye to kitchen waste with the Lomi 1.3, the world's first smart electric composter that's designed to turn food scraps into nutrient-rich fertilizer at the press of a button. Lomi not only saves landfill space, but also helps reduce your carbon footprint by transforming food scraps into plant-friendly compost. It's an essential tool for any eco-conscious kitchen. With the Moen line faucet, convenience meets innovation. This smart faucet offers 4 methods of control: voice, app, hands-free, or manual, allowing for seamless operation. You can even set customized presets for temperature and water amount, making tasks like filling pots or washing dishes easier than ever. With precise temperature control, up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, Moen line ensures your water is just right for every need. Its sleek matte black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, making it a beautiful and practical upgrade. For egg enthusiasts, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact yet powerful gadget. With the ability to cook up to 6 eggs at various levels of firmness, soft, medium, or hard-boiled, this cooker ensures consistent, easy-to-peel results every time. It's versatile, allowing you to prepare poached eggs, scrambled eggs, and individual omelets with a simple press of a button. Lightweight and designed to fit even the smallest kitchen spaces, this is an ideal appliance for anyone, from college students to campers. Looking for an effortless way to grind spices? The Rocyis electric salt and pepper grinder set is a battery-powered, gravity-operated grinder that activates with a simple flip. Its stainless steel design is both beautiful and durable, and the adjustable grinding coarseness lets you customize the grind to suit your dishes. The added LED light is practical, illuminating the amount of spice as it dispenses, while the one-hand operation makes it ideal for those with arthritis or hand pain. The GoveeLife Smart Wi-Fi electric kettle redefines convenience in the kitchen with its smart temperature control and remote operation. This stainless steel kettle, compatible with Alexa, allows you to set precise temperatures from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit for brewing tea, coffee, and even baby formula. It includes 5 easy presets and a keep warm feature lasting up to 2 hours. With scheduling options via the app, you can enjoy freshly boiled water whenever you need it, while its safety features like boil dry protection ensure peace of mind.